Today's video is all about fixing an issue with AWS IAM Identity Center API integration, the error authenticating unauthorized error. So why does this error pop up? It's usually because the access token used for setting up the API connection isn't right. Let's fix it step by step. First, go to the Okta admin dashboard. Here search for the AWS IAM application. Next, click on Provisioning, then go to Integration. Here hit the Edit button. For a successful API integration, we require the base URL and API token from AWS Identity Center. Let's go to the AWS IAM Identity Center and find your SIM endpoint URL. Copy this URL and then paste it into the base URL field in Okta. Remember to delete any extra / at the end of this URL. Next, we need the correct access token. Again, in the AWS IAM Identity Center, copy the access token. Then, paste this token into the API token field in Okta. Now, click on Test API Credentials. This checks if everything's set up correctly. Once the credentials are verified and everything looks good, hit the Save button. This should wrap up the provisioning setup smoothly. And that's it! Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.